Are you involved in the manufacture of sterile medicinal products? Then you need to know about EU GMP Annex 1. This critical document provides comprehensive guidelines for ensuring the sterility of your products, protecting patients from harmful contamination. In simple terms, Annex 1 sets out how to minimize the risks associated with sterile product manufacturing. We're talking about 3 main types of contamination, and Annex 1 provides detailed guidance on how to prevent each. Microbiological contamination. This refers to contamination by bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms. Annex 1 emphasizes the importance of cleanroom design, personnel hygiene, and sterilization processes to control this risk. For example, it specifies requirements for air filtration, HEPA filters, room classification, grade A, B, C, D, and the validation of sterilization cycles. Particulate contamination. This involves the presence of unwanted particles in the final product, such as dust, fibers, and other debris. Annex 1 addresses this by requiring the use of appropriate clothing, controlled environments, and online particle monitoring systems. Pyrogen contamination. Pyrogens are fever-inducing substances, often derived from microorganisms. Annex 1 highlights the need for water quality control, WFI, water for injection, depyrogenation processes, like dry heat sterilization, and the proper handling of materials to prevent pyrogen contamination. Why is this so important? Because sterile drugs, by nature, bypass many of the body's natural defenses. They are often injected or infused directly into the bloodstream, posing a high risk to patients if contaminated. Contamination can lead to serious consequences, including infections, sepsis, and even fatal outcomes. Annex 1 aims to mitigate these risks through stringent controls. Annex 1 covers a wide range of topics, providing detailed requirements for every stage of sterile manufacturing. Here are some key areas. Facility design. Annex 1 places a strong emphasis on the design and layout of manufacturing facilities. This includes the design of clean rooms, the use of barrier technologies, like isolators and restricted access barrier systems, RABS, and the control of airflow and pressure differentials. For instance, it specifies requirements for airlock design, surface finishes, and the segregation of incompatible activities. Personnel. People are a significant potential source of contamination. Annex 1 details extensive requirements for personnel training, qualification, hygiene, and gowning. This includes specifications for gowning procedures, hand hygiene practices, and the ongoing assessment of personnel competency in aseptic techniques. Equipment. The design, construction, and maintenance of equipment are critical. Annex 1 outlines requirements for materials of construction, cleanability, sterilization, and the validation of equipment performance. Examples include requirements for stainless steel quality, the use of CIP clean-in-place systems, and the validation of autoclave cycles. Production and specific technologies. Annex 1 provides guidance on various production processes, including aseptic processing, terminal sterilization, and filtration. It also addresses specific technologies like blow, fill, seal, and single-use systems. Environmental and process monitoring. Continuous monitoring of the manufacturing environment is essential. Annex 1 details the requirements for viable and non-viable particle monitoring, surface and personnel monitoring, and the trending of data. It also covers the requirements for aseptic process simulations, APS, also known as media fills. Quality control. Annex 1 emphasizes the importance of robust quality control systems, including testing, specifications, and release procedures. It also addresses topics like parametric release and rapid microbiological methods. The core principle of Annex 1 is to establish and maintain a sterile manufacturing environment. This requires a holistic approach, controlling every aspect of the production process. It starts from the initial design of the facility and extends to the sourcing of raw materials, the execution of manufacturing operations, and the release of the finished product. A key element is the Contamination Control Strategy, CCS, which is a documented approach to identify, assess, and control contamination risks. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.